si Monica Pecaan, asawa ni D.S. Iniro, her spouse, and a deaconess. And I am to give a testimony on prosperity. As early as 7 years old po, nakakatulong na ako ni nanay sa kanyang trabaho. Dahil hindi siya nakagraduate, elementary lang po yung nag-graduate niya, she cannot apply on a lucrative profession dahil mananahin lang po yung kaya niya gawin. We are hungry because we're just living on 600 pesos weekly. Kulang po para sa 4 members in the family. Sobrang hirap po ng buhay namin. Kasi nga po, yung tatay ko po, pinatay siya at the age of 26 years old. He was murdered to death because of business rival. Nakaingitan po siya sa trabaho. And so, si nanay po, yung tumayong tatay. Notwithstanding our economic status, I learned about tithing at a very young age. Tanda ko pa po sa Sunday school, ganito yung ginawa sa amin ng teacher namin. A deaconess, tinuro sa amin. Sabi niya, children, kapag nakatanggap kayo ng 1,000, how much is your tithe? So, inuro niya yung decimal, 10%. So, kukunin mo yung 2 zero sa huli, ibabawas mo para makuha mo yung 10%. And then, kapag 550 pesos, kapag 220 pesos, 55 pesos, and 22 pesos. During that time, nakakapagbigay na ako ng 5 pesos. And as I grow old, 10 pesos. And then, nung ako po ay student deaconess na sa isang church, tumatanggap na ako ng 2,800 monthly. So, nagtatides po ako ng 280 pesos. And then, I work officially as a full-time deaconess. Tumanggap po ako ng 8,000 pesos at nagbigay ng 800 pesos monthly. But when I see an expansion of ministry through pursuing law studies, nagkaroon po ako ng pagkakataon na mag-apply sa isang work kung saan mismo si Chief Justice Puno po ay tumawag sa akin for that position. Ang pinag-prepare ko lang po that time, 200,000 per year. But God gave me salary grade of 24. So that time, I received 55,000 pesos monthly. I was surprised, 1 million pala yun per year. As my income increased yearly, my time increased as well. Sa totoo lang po, na-surprise ako. I thought that I will only receive 20,000 monthly. But God is a God of surprises. So, tumataas po yung monthly tithing and giving ko. I learned that ako po ay isa lang palang alulod ng pagpapala. Nakagraduate po ako ng law without spending for my tuition fee because nag-offer po sa akin ng scholarship si Nicholas M. Cantor to International United Women in Faith. Ito po ang initiative ng Board of Women's Work ng ating United Methodist Church. Hindi ko po tinanggap yun at binigay ko sa 4 college students at nagkaroon pa ako ng scholars. Sa kabutihan po ng Panginoon, ako lang po ay alulod ng pagpapala. I hold to the promise of God, Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Through faithful giving and trusting the Lord, I have seen His plans unfold in our lives. There were moments when giving was not easy, especially during times of illness. In January 2025, I had medication on UTI or urinary tract infection and genital warts revitalization, which I personally covered. In March 2025 this year, I was diagnosed with colon polyps and had to undergo surgery. The medicines were costly and finances were stretched. Good thing the Lord provided for my surgery through my insurance. To date po, December 16, 2025, I have received my loyalty award sa aking pinagtatrabahuhan po. 10 years na po ako at nakatanggap din po ng bonus. The Lord has entrusted us 2 apartment buildings, 3 houses, 2 vehicles. These are not personal luxury, but all are being used for church ministry. The vehicles are instrumental in district work, and the houses accommodate guests connected to district events. Kahit po yung Taytay Rizal, Bulacan, tumatanggap po ng mga bisita. To date also, I have received yung Loyalty Award from the Supreme Court for 10 years of fruitful service. And I acknowledge this as a gift from the Lord. The Lord is so faithful. Now, on our 3rd year in Isabela Coastal Mission District, we are not only giving our tithes, we are giving more than 10%. Through God's grace and through this journey, I have experienced myself freedom financially. Giving has taught me to trust God fully and store treasures not on earth but on heaven. To God be the glory.